Hello and welcome to AI Turkmenistan news on Atavatan TV. Let's get started with today's top stories. Turkmenistan's permanent neutrality status, approved by the UN General Assembly for the third time. At its 79th session, the United Nations General Assembly unanimously adopted a resolution once again recognizing Turkmenistan's status of permanent neutrality. The resolution refers to the previously adopted resolutions in 1995 and 2015, highlighting that Turkmenistan's neutrality policy contributes not only to regional but also to global peace, security, and sustainable development. The UN praised Turkmenistan's peaceful foreign policy, its proactive preventive diplomacy efforts, its facilitative role in the Afghan peace process, and its contributions to the peaceful resolution of international disputes. Furthermore, Turkmenistan's efforts to establish stable and reliable energy and transportation corridors were recognized as a valuable contribution to regional development. In line with this historic resolution, UN member states were called upon to respect and support Turkmenistan's neutrality status. At Turkmenistan's initiative, the year 2025 was declared the International Year of Peace and Trust, and a major international forum is planned for December 2025 to mark the 30th anniversary of the country's permanent neutrality. Trump and Putin extend Nowruz greetings to Turkmenistan. US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin sent congratulatory messages to Turkmenistan's President Serdar Berdimuhamedov on the occasion of Nowruz. In his message, President Trump emphasized that Nowruz is a symbol of peace and renewal, conveying his warmest wishes to the Turkmen people on behalf of the American people. He expressed appreciation for the reforms being carried out under President Berdimuhamedov's leadership, and stressed the importance of continued cooperation on key global issues. Trump also noted that the US delegation looks forward to visiting Ashgabat to participate in the upcoming UN conference focused on landlocked developing countries. Russian President Vladimir Putin also offered heartfelt congratulations to the people of Turkmenistan on the Nowruz holiday. In his message, he highlighted the successful development of Russian-Turkmen relations based on a spirit of deepened strategic partnership. Putin underscored that this friendly and mutually beneficial relationship not only serves the interests of both nations, but also contributes to greater stability and security in Central Asia and the Caspian region. Over 632,000 trees planted across Turkmenistan. On March 22, 2025, Turkmenistan held its traditional nationwide tree planting event with the participation of President Serdar Berdimuhamedov. The campaign witnessed the planting of a total of 632,498 saplings throughout the country, while 260,836 existing trees received maintenance. Aimed at promoting environmental awareness, expanding green spaces, and preserving ecological balance, the event was held as part of the 2025 International Year of Peace and Trust, coinciding with the 30th anniversary of Turkmenistan's status of permanent neutrality. With the president's personal involvement, the day became a symbol of a nationwide environmental mobilization. Alongside the planting activities, an international culinary competition titled Cuisines of the World was organized with the participation of diplomatic missions. President Berdimuhamedov showed great interest in traditional dishes from various cultures, supporting intercultural dialogue and friendship. The event fostered a unique atmosphere where ecological awareness, sustainable development goals, and traditional values came together. Through this initiative, Turkmenistan once again underlined its strong commitment to environmental policies both nationally and internationally. That's all for AI Turkmenistan news. Don't forget to follow us for more updates. See you next time.